Welcome to the deserts of southern Morocco, an area where the landscapes are so utterly different from parts of Europe that they support a really different range of species.
Here, Nicola is dry city. You know it because the bill is small comparing with the alpaca form.
We're now at the next auberge, going back towards Rissani. That's the Auberge La Caravan. We're right on the main track, and this building right next to the main track, it's only a goat shed. But there's one hole here that's actually got a pair of desert sparrows. One of the hardest birds to find in Morocco is mourning wheatear, and the reason it's so difficult is that it seems to be never in the same place twice, until now. The reason we've come is that we're hoping for sand grouse. We've read in the log at the Soleil Bleu that sand grouse come to drink at these pools. That's a spectacled warbler. So we've had a pair of scrub warblers and a spectacled warbler all at this terrific spot. There's the spectacled warbler. Do you hear that? They're just fantastic birds. They're a right little bundle of energy.